Welcome back. So today's video is all about short DIY hairstyle ideas for women. These ideas are going to be perfect if you have short hair and you're looking for something to do with it. Definitely will find inspiration with this video. Alright, so the first video clip features a woman who is doing deep wave crimps. And this is a hot tool that is very popular. If you guys were around in the 80s or if you've seen 80s style hairstyles, this is pretty much what that reminds me of. Instead of doing like the teeny tiny crimps like they used to do back then, this is more of like a deep wave, and it's perfect for adding like volume and just a different look and variety to the overall hair. So, and she's using that Puff Me setting spray, so it's giving her volume as well as giving her overall hold to the style. Alright, so the next woman is just kind of showing us a lob, and she's playing with her hair, tousling it. I'm not sure why I put this in here. Alright, so next up we have another woman who's showing us her hair. She has more of a traditional bob versus the previous woman who had a lob. And this is a gorgeous hair color. Alright, next we have another woman who is a bit of a redhead. It looks like this is her natural hair color, and it looks like she has some purple or pink highlights at the bottom. Definitely a gorgeous hair color. So she's just kind of showing us different varieties of hairstyles that you can wear with a lob. If you guys have a lob, it is a shoulder length bob. It is a longer bob. So because it is a longer bob, you have more variety with the hair. You're able to do more with it. This clip, she is braiding it. She's French braiding her hair. Oh, that hair color is so gorgeous. So yeah, you definitely have more variety with a lob versus a traditional bob. So here she's just kind of curling it and then putting the rest in a ponytail. Very cute. Tons of variety with the lob. Alright, so next we have someone who has more of a bob. And this haircut is a great length if you want something a little bit shorter. Loving the hair color. She's got the ombre going, darker roots, blonde at the bottom. So here she's just kind of showing us how she curls her bob. And she does super tiny sections just to kind of give the hair more volume. And then bigger sections, looks like in the crown, to kind of create more height throughout the hair. Definitely invest in some good hair tools if you are going to be styling your hair often. This will prevent damage for your overall strands. Very, very cute. Looks like she went to the salon. Alright, next we have someone who has a pixie. And in this clip, she's just kind of playing around with some hair accessories. That's quite an unexpected hairstyle. Never thought that you could just clip that to the side like that with a pixie cut. So here she has a bandana and she's tying it around the bangs. This is definitely great for variety if you're looking to do something different with your shorter hair. That's cute. Alright, so next she's playing around with the bandana some more. That lip color though, and that eyeshadow. She's a little makeup artist. Alright, so it seems like she's just kind of playing around with this bandana. She's able to do a lot with that. Alright, so this is a different clip, and in this one she's showing us how she takes care of her pixie. Hopefully she shows us how to curl it. Okay, so she's using shaping gel in order to kind of slick it down, and then she's blow drying her hair. She's using one of those tiny brushes to really get in there, get that good grip going. I didn't see what she used for that part. polish gel. So this one, she's kind of just, she's not curling it, she's just kind of slicking it back, which is great if you're in a hurry. You don't have to worry about fooling around with the heat tools. That's cute. That is hot. Yes, give us space, girl. Alright, so next we have someone who has another pixie cut. She's playing around with headbands. This one is just a simple plain headband. She's got the shaved sides. That's pretty. So it's definitely like nice to play around with. Oh, that's cute. It's definitely nice to play around with accessories when you have shorter hair, because you want to just mix it up, change up your look. You don't want to get like in a boring hair rut where you're just kind of like waking up and doing the same thing every day, because short hair can get boring if you let it. Alright, this one, she's got like a funky tie-dye looking headband. She's tying it around. Okay. Very cute. Oh, this one she's doing a half up, half down. Maybe. So this one, she's flat ironing the sides, and she's kind of doing like a feathered look to it. And then she's got the mohawk going at the top. Well, not really mohawk, but just, you know, more volume at the top than on the sides. And she's flat ironing it down. And it looks like she's adding some height to the crown area by tousling it out. It almost looks like she has a hint of blue in there. Or am I just seeing things? But it looks like she has a hint of deep blue. Alright, so next we see someone who has a bob, and she is blowing out her hair and then flat ironing it. We've already seen her in one of the previous clips, so this time she's giving us like a full routine with her look. Spraying down the pieces so that her hair can stay straighter. Oh, wow. She's got a lot of volume from using that hairspray. Very pretty. And see, that's the thing when you have a bob, is you can change where you part your hair. So if you want something different that day, you can do that as well. All right, so next we have someone who has a pixie blonde with a little bit of pink highlights mixed in. Very pretty. She's blowing it out. You can also wear your hair air dried if that's something that you want to do. Like if you wanted to braid your hair in a couple of braids and then unbraid them. Braid them when your hair is wet and then unbraid them, and you'll have a completely different texture to your hair as well if you're looking for more variety. Very cute. Loving the hint of pink. So pretty and so subtle. Alright, so next we have someone who once again has a bob. She's getting it flat ironed with a little bit of a curl. Now the beautician has got to use hairspray with this because her hair does look a little flat. Yeah, she's using something. She's using like a powder to just kind of give her height. Because her hair looks very thin. almost think like she looks like this person, she looks cute with short hair, but I think because her hair is so thin, I think she would probably look better with longer hair, to be honest. Everybody else so far has looked good with short hair, but this particular woman, I think that she would look better with longer hair, just because her hair is so thin. I mean, when it's styled, it looks better, but it's just my personal opinion. But she did manage to put a lot of volume in there at the top. But yeah, it still looks pretty thin. So she's using hairspray, trying to add as much height as she can. And my thing is too, with her hair being so thin, is she going to be able to recreate that look at home, you know, as she had at the salon? Probably not. I mean, she could, but that's just my 2 cents. Alright, so next, love her little glitter eye makeup. Oh, so someone is adding hair extensions to the short hair. And see, that would have been great for the previous girl or woman. She would have looked better with a little bit of extensions just for volume. And you can also do that, like if you wanted to do clip-ins and just kind of add in some color, you could do that without actually dyeing your hair. That'd be pretty cool. So now she's just kind of doing a little bit of a wave. And if you guys don't want to buy an actual crimper or waver, this is a technique you can use if you wanted like a wavy look to your hair. It would take a long time to do, but it can be done without you buying a new heating tool. Yeah, you can see how long a process like that would take. Forever and ever and ever. Ooh, it looks really pretty though. Then she's adding some holding gel to kind of hold the wave. She's brushing down her roots. Oh, that's why she's putting pins in the front. Okay. Very pretty. That's like a pretty like party hairstyle, like you're going out somewhere. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed these hair clips and DIYs. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.